Today we're unboxing one of the most iconic digital watches of all time, the Casio F91W. As we open the box, right on top, you're greeted by the watch itself, securely nestled in its packaging. It's simple, but the moment you see that classic rectangular display, you know this is a Casio. Lifting the watch out, you'll notice how lightweight it feels, just 20 grams, making it super comfortable for everyday wear. The resin strap is flexible and durable, ready to handle whatever you throw at it. Next up, we have some documentation. A user manual that provides instructions on how to set the time, use the stopwatch, alarm functions, and more. It's basic, but everything you need is clearly explained here. Also tucked inside is a warranty card. Casio includes a 2-year warranty with the F91W, so you're covered in case of any issues. And that's it. Inside the box, you get the watch, the manual, and the warranty. Everything you need to get started with this timeless classic. Iconic, simple, and unpretentious. When I say digital watch, chances are you'll imagine something that looks just like this. Hey everyone, I'm VJ, and today I'm reviewing the legendary Casio F91W. Nearly 35 years after its initial release, this watch still reigns as one of the most popular digital timepieces in the world, with Casio reportedly manufacturing over 3 million units per year. It has a true cult following, especially among those looking for a reliable, affordable, and accurate everyday watch. In this video, we'll explore what makes the Casio F91W so beloved. Often dubbed the ultimate everyman's watch, its price tag clearly reflects the audience Casio aimed for. The F91W was one of the first mass-produced low-cost digital watches and has been consistently available for under 1,000 rupees, often closer to 1,095. This watch defines affordability. No matter your income, you can easily get your hands on one. And when your watch costs about the same as a fast food meal, it's an easy purchase to justify. Plus, if it gets lost or damaged, you might just buy another instead of replacing the battery. The low cost also reduces the demand for counterfeit versions. Why spend 500 rupees on a fake when you can get the real deal for not much more? Wondering how to tell if your watch is genuine? Stick around, and I'll show you a quick tip to verify it. Specification-wise, the F91W has a 34mm diameter, 8.5mm thickness, and 38mm lug-to-lug. It's a relatively small watch, but it's incredibly light at just 20 grams. The case is made of durable resin, and it's water-resistant up to 30 meters, basically splash-proof. Inside, it houses Casio's reliable digital 593 quartz movement. You can usually find this watch priced between 1,000 and 1,095 rupees in India, backed by a 2-year warranty. While this watch may not be the pinnacle of style, it's hard to beat in terms of comfort. The resin strap and lightweight build make it easy to wear all day, even while sleeping. If you're after something a bit more stylish with similar performance, you might want to check out Casio's A158W model, which comes in a more refined metallic design. The rectangular resin case is basic but durable, handling everyday bumps and scrapes surprisingly well for its price. The watch is operated by 3 stainless steel pushers, which allow you to cycle through the time, stopwatch, and alarm functions with ease. The stainless steel case back is secured with 4 small screws, featuring some basic watch details. Despite its modest water resistance, some users, including family members of mine, have even taken it swimming, though I wouldn't recommend it. One of the F91W's biggest strengths is its simplicity. It's powered by a quiet quartz movement that typically lasts around 7 years on a single battery. And while the official size may seem small, it fits a wide variety of wrist sizes comfortably. Personally, with my slim 6.25-inch wrist, this watch fits perfectly and doesn't overwhelm like bulkier G-Shock models. The LCD display is bright and clear, easily readable from different angles, even in direct sunlight. The acrylic lens is shatter-resistant but not scratch-resistant, so it will pick up marks over time. Though at this price point, that's hardly a deal-breaker. The backlight, however, is notoriously weak. It provides just enough illumination to read the time in the dark, but pales in comparison to more modern watches like the A168. Still, for everyday use, it gets the job done. As promised, here's how to check if your F91W is genuine. Hold down the right pusher for a few seconds. If Casio appears on the screen, you've got the real deal. If not, you might be dealing with a fake. The resin strap is surprisingly comfortable. It's soft, lightweight, and breathable, making it great for workouts as it doesn't trap sweat. The low-profile design also ensures it won't get in the way during daily activities. So, what are the pros and cons of this iconic watch? Let's start with the cons. First, the backlight. While it technically works, it's clearly a holdover from the early 90s and could definitely use an upgrade. The design also has a certain retro aesthetic, which might not appeal to everyone. It's functional, but it's not exactly a head-turner. Lastly, at this price point, you're not getting any fancy features, but that's to be expected. Now for the pros. First off, the incredibly low cost makes this watch nearly disposable. You can wear it without worry because if you lose or damage it, replacing it is no big deal. The size is another big plus. It's perfectly proportioned for all wrist sizes, even the slimmest. The 20-gram weight makes it easy to forget you're even wearing it. The overall durability and functionality are impressive. This watch isn't designed to survive a severe impact, but for general wear and tear, it excels. I also appreciate how easy it is to use, no complicated buttons or functions. The Casio F91W is straightforward and reliable. So, should you buy one? If you're looking for a simple, functional, and affordable everyday watch, the F91W is a must-have. It's not a statement piece, but it's a pleasure to wear for work or daily activities. Personally, I prefer the metallic A158W variant for a more stylish look, but the F91W's comfort and lower price make it a fantastic choice for many. My father has worn the F91W for over 20 years, and that speaks to its practicality. If you're interested, check the links in the description to grab one for yourself and support the channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.